Hello, and welcome to this episode about how far back should a resume go? Well, the answer to this question depends on your career stage. For recent graduates with up to 2 years of work experience, the resume should include experiences and achievements from both university and work. For young professionals that have between 2 to 5 years of work experience, stick to your post-grad experience. You have enough work experience to leave university projects and courses out of your resume. Mid-level and experienced professionals with more than 5 years of work experience should focus on professional roles and responsibilities closely associated with their job search targets. One option is to split the work experience section into 2 parts. The first is related work experience, which highlights and details the related experience. The second is other work experience, which lists unrelated positions within the last 10 to 15 years without descriptions or bullet points. In the next episode, we'll explore what to include in a resume. I'll see you there.